Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are doing very well. Please do watch my videos. It will surely helpful to you. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 utensil. Utensils are very useful in our kitchen. So here we go. Number 1. Plate. P L A T E. Plate. Number 2. Bowl. B O W L. Bowl. Number 3. Glass. G L A S S. Glass. Number 4. Spoon. S P O O N. Spoon. Number 5. Saucepan. S A U C E P A N. Saucepan. Number 6. Fork. F O R K. Fork. Number 7. Colander. C O L A N D E R. Colander. Number 8. Spatula. S P A T U L A. Spatula. Number 9. Ladle. L A D L E. Ladle. Number 10. Pan. P A N. Pan. Thanks for watching. Please do practice and learn them easily. Stay tuned. Bye bye. See you in the next video.